this video, we're going to be going over how to find the slope between two lines and how to find the missing value of part of one of the ordered pairs when we're given the slope. For number 10, we have to follow the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. The first point is point number 1, the second point is point number 2, and we're going to plug in the y value of point number 2 and subtract it with the y value of point number 1 divided by the x value of point number 2 minus the x value of point number 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. And 8 divided by 6 is 4 over 3. For number 11, we're going to have y2, which is negative 6, minus y1, which is negative 8, over 7 minus 14. When we have a minus negative number, this becomes negative 6 plus 8 over 7 minus 14, which is negative 7. And negative 6 plus 8 is negative 2 over 7. For number 12, we're going to have negative 3 plus 3, since it'll be negative 3 minus negative 3. On the bottom, we're going to have 8 minus 4. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0. 8 minus 4 is 4. And 0 divided by 4 is 0. For number 13, we're going to set up the equation to find slope, and we're going to set it equal to the given value. So first we're going to have 8 plus 4 over 2 minus x. And this is going to be equal to negative 3. The first step is to multiply each side by 2 minus x. On the left side, the 2 minus x on the bottom and on top cancel. And we're left with 8 plus 4, which is 12. And this is going to equal negative 3 times 2, negative 6. And negative 3 times negative x, which is plus 3x. Next, we're going to add 6 to both sides. And we're going to get 18 equals 3x. If we divide both sides by 3, we'll get that x equals 6, which is 18 divided by 3. For number 14, we're going to have 4 minus y over 3 minus 10 is equal to negative 2 over 7. On the top, we still have 4 minus y. On the bottom here, we have negative 7, and this is going to equal 2 over negative 7. Here we can cross multiply. We're going to have, I'm going to bring it up here. We're going to have negative 7 times 4 minus y, and that's going to be equal to negative 14. We can distribute the negative 7. Negative 28 plus 7y is going to equal negative 14. Then we can add 28 on both sides, and we'll have 7y equals negative 14 plus 28, which is 14. If we divide 7 on each side, we'll get that y equals 2. For number 15, we're going to have 4 minus 1 over x minus 7 equals 3 over 4. 4 minus 1 is going to be 3 over x minus 7. Then we can cross multiply. 3 times x minus 7 is going to equal 4 times 3, which is 12. we can divide each side by 3, and we'll have x minus 7 equals 4. And if we add 7 on both sides, we will get that x equals 11. If you learned something new in this video, please make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for higher math grades and more helpful math videos like this. And if you haven't already, make sure that you watch my 100 SAT math problems showing up on the screen now. I'll see you in the next one.